This week we're going over formulas. Here are the notes for slide 1. We're going over the midpoint formula. This one is a review. To find the coordinates of the midpoint xm, ym, we use the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we'll do an example where we have to find the midpoint. In number 1, we have a is -5, -2, and b is -3, 4. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So xm is going to be equal to -5 plus -3 over 2. -5 plus -3 is -8 over 2. So xm equals -8 divided by 2, which is -4. So that's going to be our first coordinate, -4. Same thing to find the y of the midpoint. So -2 plus 4 over 2. -2 plus 4 is 2 over 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our y value of the midpoint is 1. And the midpoint between those 2 points are -4, +1. Same thing to find the endpoint. We're using the same formula, we're just setting it up differently. So we have one endpoint is 1, -4, and then the midpoint is 2, -1. Rather than having xm, we're going to have 2, because that is the x value of the midpoint, equals 1 plus x over 2. Multiply both sides by 2. 4 equals 1 plus x. Subtract 1 from both sides. X equals 3. So the x value of our endpoint, we're going to call it b, just like the last problem, is a 3. We'll do the same thing for y, so -1 of the midpoint equals -4 plus y over 2. Multiply both sides by 2. -2 equals -4 plus y. Add 4 to both sides. Y equals 2. So our other endpoint, for the endpoint 1, -4, and the midpoint 2, -1, the other endpoint is 3, 2.